Today I'm making a simple sweet luffa soup with pork. It is naturally sweet and soothing when enjoy it with rice. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of young luffa. These are very fresh and young. I will put a link on how to choose them later. 500 ml of chicken stock or water. 150 grams of pork sliced thinly. 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the Simo link. Switch on the heat to medium. Add all the chicken stock in the saucepan, sesame oil, pepper, and oyster sauce. Stir until fully dissolved. Cover the saucepan and boil the soup for 3 minutes. Next, peel and cut the luffa into bite-sized pieces and tomato into wedges. Set aside. Then, marinate the pork with all the salt. Rub to evenly distribute it and set it aside. After 3 minutes, our soup is boiling vigorously. Add the pork and stir to evenly distribute them. Then add the tomato and the cut luffa. The saucepan is a little small for the soup, but it is alright. The luffa will release some liquid later for the soup. Cover the lid and continue to cook for 5 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Give it a stir. The luffa is getting cooked while the pork is well cooked now. Cover the pan and cook for another 3 minutes to soften the pork and luffa. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Tomato and luffa are well cooked and soft. Give it a taste. Wow, so delicious! More seasoning can be added as preferred. Switch off the heat and our sweet luffa soup with pork is ready to be dished out and served. Transfer the soup into the serving bowl. Garnish with the crispy fried shallots and chopped spring onion for fragrance. Let's eat! Wow, the pork and luffa are very tender. The gravy is very sweet with a delicious mix of chicken, pork, luffa, and tomatoes. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!